How to loop a song on SoundCloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will guide you on how you can loop a song on SoundCloud, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to loop a song on SoundCloud, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then open the SoundCloud app, and let's say you want to actually play a song constantly in a loop format without having to shuffle other songs. Just go ahead and play that song. First of all, as you can see, I'll just play this song over here. Now let's say I want this to loop over and over again, right? Over here at the bottom you can see three icons: share icon, this horizontal lines, and the three dots. But you have to select the second last icon, which is this horizontal lines over here. Just tap on it, and then here you can see the song that I'm currently playing, because you can see the now playing status. Or you can actually choose other songs from the playlist that you actually want to go ahead and play in a constant loop. So once you select the song that I want to play in loop, all I have to do is just tap on the loop icon from the top right. You can see this arrow, just tap on it, and once you actually select that option and then you check it, you can see the songs will actually play in a repeat format, which is going to loop itself over and over again. If you want to unloop it, just select it and then uncheck that if you'd like. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually loop a song on SoundCloud. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.